Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about this hybrid cordless nail drill for portable and desktop use. Now it's low noise, it has adjustable speeds, super easy to carry, long battery life, and a visual display. So let me get it all opened up and set up to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, I finished unboxing this and check it out. This is the device itself where everything plugs in. I really like that it comes with this case as well that you can hang somewhere. And of course, it's going to be totally adjustable with this nice screen. You're going to have the manual and all the bits and pieces. So let's see those as well. Alright, you guys, after reading some instructions and figuring things out, I finally got it all together. So this is the base, and you're going to insert the device on it because there's a little connector at the bottom that allows the device to charge right here. So I plugged it in and it is already charging. It was 70% full, so we're just waiting for the last 25%. Now, as for the actual little drill, I absolutely adore it. It is super easy to hold. It even has this clip-in that you can take off if you want, and you can change, of course, the little drill bits. It also comes with this stand for when you're working. You can just pop it on there, and to connect it, you're going to plug it in at the top of your device. I think it's super useful. I definitely recommend this, and you can even plug this in right here and have it right next to your device. I definitely think it's a must-have, but it's time to put it to the test and turn it on. Alright, you guys, after messing around for a little bit and reading the instructions, I finally got it down. So as you can see, there's a button up here that's F/R. That means forward or reverse, which is the way the nail bit is going to spin. Then you also have this to adjust how quickly it's going to go, and a button to turn it off and on. I definitely recommend you check this product. It is super cool and can make cleaning your nails at home and doing it yourself so much easier. Go check it out on Amazon, and they have other colors as well, but I think this one is gorgeous.